Hello, my name is Colin Brown and I'm here in Chamonix with the Royal Marines Association Royal Marines Charity Recovery Programme. With me today is former Warrant Officer Dusty Miller and former PTI, and I'm going to talk about the 12 months ago I received a full right hip replacement and I became a client of Denton Physio and the re.flex sensors technology. And 12 months on, here I am on skis, and I'm about to show you what can be achieved through rehab with the re.flex sensors.
Good day, I'm Dusty Miller, former Royal Marines PTI, and helping out during this Royal Marines Association, Royal Marines Charity Recovery Programme. As you just witnessed there on some of the video clips, we've got a guy of senior years having gone through a full hip replacement just 12 months ago, and by following the Denton Physio Reflex Centres technology rehab program, and by challenging himself, he's just achieved what I would call linked parallel turns, which I struggle to get young fit people to do over 5 days. Massively impressive. Well done, Colin.